Hello and welcome back to another video by me. I don't know why I'm doing this with my hands, but well, who cares? And today we're going to be unboxing something like no other. I think I have found probably the best speaker, or wireless Bluetooth speaker, for around £30. Well, that's how much I paid for it, of course. This speaker has been compared to speakers from Bose. I think they're called Bose Soundlinks. Apparently, like, to the average consumer, they sound not a lot different. For a speaker that's about 30 quid, that's pretty good. So yeah, let's take a look at it. Here we have the speaker. It is a KitSound Slam 2 wireless speaker, as it says. And yeah, it's a pretty solid speaker. And it also apparently you can charge your phone or tablet or whatever you've got plugged in or connected to it playing music. So that's pretty good. Of course, works with Bluetooth because it's a wireless speaker. It's also splash proof with an IPX5 rating, so that's pretty good. We've also got a 20 watt output, which I thought was very good for a £30 wireless speaker, considering every other speaker around this or below is about 15 to 10 watts, and this boasting about 20 watts is pretty good for 30 quid. The battery also lasts up to 10 hours playtime, as you can see there. So yeah, this playing music for over 10 hours or so for a speaker which boasts 20 watts is really good, especially compared to the price. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing here. Now I've already unboxed the speaker and tested it and had a look. It's pretty good, but I've repackaged it to give you the best authentic unboxing experience ever. So as you can see, here's the speaker in its packaging. And yeah, this is a pretty hefty speaker. As well, it's surprisingly quite heavy. It's got a metal grill on it, so it's very solid. Nice badge on the front. We've got buttons across the top here. Let me zoom out a bit so you can see all of them. There we go. Got power, play, pause, volume down, volume up, or I guess track, back, and next. And I've got rubber feet on the bottom to stop it slipping, although, judging by the weight, yeah, this thing ain't going anywhere. Got some information on the back. Got KitSound logo, Slam 2, Drop No 5108, it's like badge details, charge, input, and stuff. So if I take this off here, we've got inputs and outputs. We've got a micro USB to charge the battery inside. We've got a USB 5V out. I believe it's 1 amp. I measured it. We've also got aux in here. If you want to connect a device that doesn't have Bluetooth, you can plug it in with a little cable like that. And yeah, honestly, this is a pretty decent speaker out of the box. Other things in the box here, we've got a instruction booklet, some leads here, I will go ahead and show you. We've got a micro USB to full-size USB to charge, and a aux mini jack lead with a 3.5mm jack on each end in stereo. And these cables are pretty decent size and pretty decent build quality too. So that's nice too. How many times did I say 2 there? I don't know. Anyway, so let's get onto the speaker and I'll give you a sound test. These KitSound speakers always have a nice boot up sound. I believe that means it's connected to my phone. Got a solid blue light on the front here, saying that we are connected. So I'm going to go ahead and play some non-copyright music off SoundCloud here. This is a Ice by MX, and it sounds pretty decent on a speaker. It's got some basses thing. I'll have a link to the Amazon listing in the description. You can buy this. I believe right now it is $29.99. So yeah, other sites it's slightly above $30, but I think Amazon has the best deal at the moment for a speaker. This is my unboxing of this speaker, and I hope you had a good day. Peace out.